Today, when me down I see, we find one nice, beautiful, purple sea urchin. No, usually you only find them in a white and black, but this time that one is in purple. In body in black, but it spike them in purple, which me find very interesting. The first time I find one purple one, me think the sea urchin look beautiful until it jump on my finger. No, when me I left the beach, me find one beautiful stone when me want to carry up. That stone is heavier than Melchizedek. I have no idea how heavy Melchizedek heavy mills has said that. Because the stone so heavy, I may carry up on stairs, which is not very easy. Me have to walk slower than Melchizedek. And Kofi here do a very good job at take one video. Because him always get in front of me. I don't even know why him video me. Me just carry one stone. But I go take that stone here, carry go up on my house, and I go find one nice spot to put him. Because one very beautiful stone. If you find 5 stones that size every day, you have yourself a nice stone pile at the end of the month.